So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, we have the grand reappearance of Chic Beauty Box. I know, guys, you probably thought it was gone forever, right? But no, I had this on pause and I decided to unpause it. Now, did I do the right thing or did I make a mistake? Let's find out. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes, guys, like I said, thank you for tuning in. And if you are new here, allow me to explain to you what we do. This is a beauty channel. I talk about all things beauty, both inside and out, like mind, body, and soul. Because beauty is not just, on the outside. It also does come from within. And, yeah, I'm a little crazy, but I'm a good crazy. And, if I can make you smile or I can, help you to forget about, what's going on in the world and maybe touch your soul with just a little bit of laughter or whatever, then great. I also do have a freebie series within the channel that teaches you how to get full-size products at no cost, just a little bit of your time. I've been doing it for 5 years, and it's no joke, guys. It is for real, and like I said, I've been doing it for 5 years. I know what I'm talking about. I deal with a lot of companies that are legit, not scams, because you can get sucked into that oh so easy. I do have a playlist that will, show you just a smidge of what I have been able to obtain. Like I said, 5 years I've been doing this. I've only been up for a year on this channel. So there's quite a bit of things, and always more coming. I have a giant pile over here that I need to do. So it's gonna be like 3 videos. But anyway, yes. So if any of this sounds interesting or you want to try and connect and be part of something, then by all means, please consider subscribing. Yeah, I would love to have you come join the family. But either or, and whether you're subscribed or you're not, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. Please turn on your bell. And guys, if you are subscribed, please remember to check the subscribe word, because YouTube's at it again. They're unsubscribing people. So you don't want to miss out on anything that's going on. And always remember to turn on your bell to be notified each and every time I upload, because why? I do like to do giveaways, lots of them. Anyway, we are talking about Chic Beauty Box. Now, chic, however you want to say it. Now, guys, I had this on pause. I think I paused it right before Christmas. And I know in January it was coming around, and I got an email for customization. So I went ahead and I filled it out. I'm like, wait a minute. Did I pause that? Am I still a member? But the thing is, I don't remember it being $42. Now, if you don't know about this subscription, I will leave all the information down below in the description box, because I myself am not too sure. It's been that long. So yes, this is the grand return. Now, are we going to keep this or not? And I need to see what's in here and see if it's worth it, because it did go up. I think I paid $42 total. And that's a little bit of, that's a lot of coin. It is a bi-monthly subscription. It is good if you don't want to commit every month. But again, $42. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. It's me, not a pod person. I just dropped something. It's me. Okay, tweezers. There you go. So we do have this, and oh, that just destroyed that. But okay, so when we open it up, I do see this. Oh, and there's a card. Yay. Okay, and then there's a little sneak peek. Can't really see anything because of bubble wrap. Okay, so this is Happy Valentine's. This is January and February's box, as you can see right there. Okay, and on the back it has variation 1, 2, and 3. Now, I don't know which one I have, so let's just take a gander and dive right in and see what we got. Okay, so these are the Allure false lashes. It says Cosmetic London Eylure Vegas Nay Grand Glamour. And it does have the, and it has the glue with it. So there you have those, okay. So here we are with the lashes. Let me go ahead and, can I open this? Let me see. I'm not breaking a nail. I'm already having issues. My nails are breaking like crazy. So my thumbnail's about to, it's split on both sides, guys, and it's about to come off. It went in, and I don't have any nail polish on, so, oh well. It went in here, and it went on this side, so there's only like a little middle piece hanging. Oh my God. And it's way down low, or else I would just rip it off, but no. So, okay, let me open, sorry, I digress. When don't I? Well, that's another thing, guys. If you are new here, you will know, I will tell you, I have adult ADD. I was not like this as a child. I was not like this as an adult. But at a certain age, whammo, and yeah, I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. So, okay, so it does bring the glue, and this is what they look like, okay? Now, these look like double stacked. Oh, they are. Oh my. Okay, so let me see the band. Well, I don't know. It doesn't really look like a band if you look up close. Can you see that? It's kind of like see-through. So I may be able to get away with them, but they are some floofy lashes, like I like to say. And, okay, so we have those, and the retail value of these is $8.88, which is kind of not, I mean, well, I guess for lashes, I don't know. Lashes are expensive, guys. And can we use these multiple times? I don't know. It doesn't say anything on the card. Let me see what it says here. Gorgeously crafted an original collection of lashes from Vegas Nay and Eylure Cosmetics London. Reusable, contact lens friendly, and handmade. It just has a little like Naomi right here. See how it's written on there? Okay. So, okay. All right. So we have that. That's $8.88. Now that, like I said, 5 to 7 products, I think. Okay. Now the second product I'm pulling out here is from NYX. This is Voluptuous Mascara. Volume and Define Mascara. This is LL04. And I do see that now. Now, I saw the first product is in variation 2. Now, this one, I see NYX Lush Lashes. So I guess that's them. It says Voluptuous, but I don't see where it says Lush on there. I don't know. I guess these are the Lush Lashes. There you go. Wait, that way. Okay. So I mean, you know, I do believe you get like drugstore brand and high-end in this subscription, kind of like Chic Beauty, which, by the way, is still on pause because of their family members or whatever. Something happened, and a couple people did get their box shipped, but I didn't. But remember, I'm getting the bag and the box to do the comparison. So there, make sure you tune in, okay, please? Anyway, so we have this, and this is valued at another $8.88. So that's kind of odd, right? Two prices, exact same, $8.88, which is, that's, I don't know. That's a little weird. Not weird in a bad way, but kind of, I don't know. Isn't that like a sign or something? Someone comment down below if they know what that means. I know a friend of mine is like going through a spiritual awakening, and she was saying that she can, like, she's seeing a lot of like angel signs. I don't know. It's 8881. I hope it's not like a bad thing. Okay, so the third thing I see here now, this is from Clarins, and I do like Clarins, which is like, it's the high-end skincare. This is the One Step Gentle Exfoliator Cleanser with orange extract for all skin types. Okay, so we do have this. That's what it looks like. And it is sealed, okay? Can't smell anything through there. Let me see. Where is this? This is retail valued at $38. I don't know if that's the, you know, bam in the box, but there you go. Okay, and then the fourth thing I see here. So we get 5 products, okay? Right? 5 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, each variation looks like it's 5 products. So this is Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Liquid Lipstick, or Matte Liquid Lip Color. And this is in Boss right here. Okay, so let's see. Let's take her out the package and see what it's all about. Oh, okay, that's kind of a nice color, I guess. It's very neutral, I would say. I don't know. I don't want to take it out. It is a doe foot applicator, but that is the color, if you guys can see that. And it does look like a I want to say brown with like peach undertones in it. Let me see. How's it coming off on camera? Yeah, kind of like that. So that is the fourth product, and that's valued at $20. Bare Minerals is kind of pricey, which isn't too bad for lip color, I guess, you know, liquid lipstick. And then the last item I see in the box is, excuse my voice is giving out. I've been recording all night. So this is from NARS. This is NARS. Oh, there's two different products. NARS Hot Nights Face Palette and NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. So what is this? This is the, oh, where's the box? Where'd I put it? Really? I lost it that quick? Oh, no. Oh, my God. I didn't even take it out the box yet. I'm okay. I'm a little tired, guys. All right? Bear with me. So this is the NARS. This is a Hot Nights Face Palette. Okay? So there you have the packaging there. I never knew NARS stood for narcissist, but anyway. Okay. And then on the back, it does have like a little something, something. And then you have all the information here. I do not see the Leaping Bunny on here, which does not make me happy. I have to get more on top of that. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that this sign right here, this one right there, I think it means like recycle. I don't know, but okay. So let's take her out and see what this is all about. I don't know. Oh, it's like, NARS packaging is always so crazy. More wrap. Oh, wow. Okay. That's a lot of wrap. All right. So there you have it. It is nice. What is that? Why is that on there? Oh, it's a little piece of plastic. Come on. Static cling. Okay. So there it is. I mean, it is nice. It's plastic. Right? Yeah, that's plastic. All right. So let's see if I can open this without busting a nail. Okay. There you go. Okay, so it does come with a protector with the NARS on there, like always. I did not know that it stood for narcissist. I didn't know that. Okay, and it does have a mirror, so let me go ahead and put, really? Oh my gosh. Let me put this here for a second. So there you have that. Okay. Oh, whoa, no. So this is a face palette. So this is Hot Nights. So, wait a minute. Let me look. Here it is right here. Oh my gosh, hang on. This is the Hot Nights face palette. So, let me look on the back of the box. What does it come with? Yeah, it doesn't really say is there any kind of like, no, there's no pamphlet or nothing in there to explain it. Okay. So anyway, it does, I would assume that those are the eyeshadows right here. And then these are the blushers and well, no, maybe not. Like, I don't know. They look pretty satiny, all of them. Yeah, these are all satins. There's no mattes in here whatsoever. You have like a deep, I don't know, chocolate brown color maybe with a little plum undertone. I don't know. This one right here, it has like a little, I don't know, plumish. And then, yeah, so these are the shades. Now, am I crazy about this? No, not really. And it does retail for $59. So this is the most expensive thing in the palette, in the box, guys. So, you know, I don't know. I'm not a fan. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. A lot of people like NARS, and I don't dislike them. It's just, I haven't really seen anything from that I'm like, oh, I gotta get it. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if this is a brand for me. It's weird. I can't really, like, describe it. I don't know. I never, like, oh, my God. Nah, never. So, yeah, it does have on the back, it says Hot Nights, Pacific, Paradise, Mava, Black Sand, Totora, and Mahini. So, these are eyeshadows on the top. And, again, down on the bottom, there's a bronzing and there's a highlighter. So, these are the eyeshadows right here on the top. And then you have a bronzer, which I probably could get away with that bronzer because that's, yeah. See, that's the kind of bronzer I need, something that's not too dark or orange. But it's the sheen, and I'm not really into the sheen. And plus, remember, guys, I have the Milk Makeup blush on now. No powder, yay, just foundation, and that's it. And then this is the highlighter. So, again, I'm not, like, crazy about NARS, really, I'm not. What else could we have gotten? Now, you could have gotten different things had you vary. I could have picked the Becca Ultimate Love Lipstick Love, or the Exposed Cheek Palette. And everything else, and then either that or Maybelline Long Wear Gel, NARS Dual Intensity Blush, Tarte Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, which I already have that though. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the different variations that you... Those are the only 3 products I saw that were different. All right, so this is $59. All right, guys, go. So let's just tally this up really quick. So this is $59. Let's say 60. This is 38. And then you have 117 with the lip. And then the... Let's say $9, 117, 126, and then the mascara is another 8, so that's 134. So for $42, I mean, you do get your money's worth, but, and this is kind of like a full face, kind of, sort of, but I don't, honestly, except for the Clarins, that's pretty much the only thing I'm really, like, kind of excited about. Because I have my skincare routine down. Oh, and by the way, guys, I gotta let you know, I'm starting a new routine, and you're never gonna believe what I incorporated in it. I'm 3 days in, and I will let you know how that turns out. Be on the lookout for that video. Once you hear what it is, you're gonna be like, huh? You? But anyway, okay. That should give you a little hint. I don't know if you can figure it out, but yeah. In like a month or so, I'm going to come and let you know what I'm doing different. And let's see if we can notice anything different. How about that? Okay. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. What do you think? Like, for every 2 months, right? The values, you pay $42, right? 42? Yeah, $42, I think it was. 42 and change, maybe? And then you get a retail value of $134. I mean, the value's there, but honestly, like I said, none of these things are really like, you know, I'm not all excited. Maybe the Clarins, and that's $38. So I paid more than what I'm really, really hoping for. I don't know. I think for their first box of the year, no offense, Chic, I really, I used to like this subscription a lot. And I had to pause it because of like Christmas and stuff. But I don't know. Comment down below. What do you think? I don't know. I personally think they could have done better. Maybe more products. But I don't know. It's missing something, and I don't know what. I don't know. Maybe because I'm used to getting an eyeshadow palette, but we got this. It is an eyeshadow palette, but not one I would reach for. I know that. But I mean, for $60, $59, that's a lot. NARS is expensive, but I don't know, for 4 eyeshadows and all satins too, I mean, you'd have to pull from another palette. At least I would anyway. Anyway, I don't know. Comment down below. What do you think about this? Because I have until March to... this must have came out in January. Why am I now just getting it in February? Oh, I know. Because I remember, I was like, where's my box? And yeah, there was some kind of thing they told me. But anyway... They were supposed to bill me on the 15th of January, like everyone else, but they didn't. And that's why my box was so late to get shipped out. So I'm sure you've seen it elsewhere, but again, there's all kinds of variations you could get. So yeah, please leave a comment down below. What do you think about this box? Should I keep this or should I, like, put it on pause again? Because I don't have to cancel. I can always put it on pause. And then if I see something, I can bring it back again. But for $45, they better bring... a little, my personal opinion, bring a little better, guys. All right, guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember, rate the video, thumbs up. Please, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so now. Join the family, become part of this wonderful, hopefully positive energy channel. Like I always say, this crazy mixed up world, guys, please, look out for each other and definitely stay safe. See you in the next one, guys.